Hey guys, I'm Mac Paverick. In a former video I said that the video from Milo the Cat is not the shortest video on YouTube, and I proved it, and I said here, this is the shortest video on YouTube, but that's not true. Sorry for that, because I did the shortest video on YouTube now, and I will prove it that I did it. Okay, I download some of the shortest video here on YouTube. This is the video on the first rank from Milo the Cat. It is approximately 1 second long. This is really long. The other videos are much shorter, and here is my video. Yeah, and my video is the shortest from this videos here. Yeah, you can see it. And yeah, the other guy here said that this video is only I can't say how much seconds this is, but he said it is shorter than my video, and yeah, that's not true, because I downloaded the video. I'm not able to open the video. Yeah, if I try to put it here to my video editor, it is not possible. But what I can do is I can click here on the video and set here details, and I can see it is 1 second long. Yeah, and my video here, you see it is 0 second long, because it is under 1 second. So my video is really the shortest video here on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed my video. Watch my shortest video on YouTube now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.